Hey good people, it's Cece Devereaux and coming to you with another video. This time I'm gonna do a little DIY, DIY with Devereaux, where I take these pair of jeans, these pink jeans, and I turn them into a cute summer ready two-piece set. Oh yeah, baby. All right, we're gonna start by cutting out our shorts. I'm using a pair that I already owned for my pattern so that I know exactly what length I want them. So just line them up, trace them out, and cut. That's it for your shorts. You can either distress the bottom or you can add a cuff like I did. Next, turn your pants leg inside out, and we're going to locate the rough seam, and we're going to cut along that side of the pants leg. Next, fold it right down the middle and then cut along the fold as well. For this next step, you'll need the measurement of your bust, and you're going to take half of that measurement and trace it on your pants leg. And you want to give yourself about 2 inches to work with for seam allowance, and then you just go ahead and cut off that extra material. Since the material of your pants leg is not an even rectangle, you're gonna go ahead and hem the edges of your pants leg, but folding the extra fabric that's there so that it's completely even, a complete rectangle across your top. And you wanna do this for both sides. And then we're gonna sew what we just hemmed. Easy peasy. You're then going to cut off the extra material that you ended up folding down in order to make it an even top. So I used a 7-inch all-purpose polyester zipper, and I'm going to use this on the side of the top in order to allow for me to get in and out of it. This was my first time doing a zipper, and it was really easy. So I'm lining up the silver stops that are on the zipper. I'm lining them up directly to the edge of the hem, and I'm folding over the excess zipper material. And then you're just going to pin that down to the hem. Be sure to add the zipper to the inside of the shirt with the zipper facing downward, so that when you flip it to the right side, the zipper is facing out. This is what it looks like once you complete pinning it down on both sides. As you can see here on the right side of the shirt, the zipper will be hidden. It's not an exposed zipper. And you'll be able to unzip and zip it like what you normally do with zippers. And this is what it looks like once you've sewn it. I did sew over the bottom of the zipper because it was a bit longer than my top, and I did that so that the zipper has an extra stop, so that it knows not to just zip off. That's very important, people. We're now going to close the other side of our shirt. You do want to try it on and mark where it fits nicely on you. You'll pin it down. We're still working on the inside out portion of the shirt. Sew it down and then cut off the extra material. So now we're going to make our sleeves. Take the other pants leg that we set aside, cut down that hard seam again. Then take 1/2 of it, fold it down the middle, and cut directly on that fold. You'll then take that 1/2 of a 1/2 and measure where the sleeve stops. What length you'll need it for it to be comfortable across your shoulders. Mark that and cut it off again. Fold them, pin them down, hem them. Make sure that it's an even strap across the length of the material, and then sew it down and you have a strap. This part is actually optional. If you just want to wear it as a tube top, you definitely can, but I like my sleeves, so this will be an option for you. Once you're done sewing it, go ahead and cut off the extra material that you don't need. Make sure that they're nice and even. And then you're going to have to flip these inside out so that you don't see that ugly edge that you just sewed down. Once it's flipped inside out, I know it looks a bit difficult, but you can do it. Once you flip it inside out, I went ahead and ironed mine down so that they're nice and flat. And yeah, you're ready to go ahead and attach them to your shirt. Try it on again. Make sure that where they're placed feels good. Sew it down and you're done. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this DIY. I hope you guys give it a try. It is definitely worth it. You'll have a great outfit that's easy to throw on and it's fun. And yeah, it'll be great for the summer. So if you've tried it, definitely tag me. And until next time, bye guys.